Hey everyone, just wanted to share some of the things we're doing with Browzwear to allow designers to share some of their designs and optimize their files online. So let's check it out.
So here's a dress I designed in Browzwear. I've already exported it and I've got my exported GLB right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the platform. We'll call it MIDI dress. I'll click create. All right, dress finished uploading. You can come in here and check it out. We can see that the file went from 192 megs down to 10. If I want, I can share it right here.
So there you have it, pretty straightforward. Love working with the Browzwear software, love how easy it is to use with our platform. Let me know if you have any questions or want to see any of their tutorials. I can also direct you to some links on best practices for exporting for Browzwear for the VNTANA platform. Talk to you soon, bye.